In this video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you want to erase people, wires, logos, blemishes, or distracting objects from your photos, Photopea offers powerful tools to get the job done. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer and choose the image you want to edit. Once your photo appears in the workspace, zoom in so you can clearly see the object you want to remove. Next, duplicate your image layer by pressing **Ctrl plus J***. This keeps your original photo safe, allowing you to edit without permanently changing the original image. Now select the *spot healing brush tool * from the toolbar. Adjust the brush size so it's slightly larger than the object you want to remove. Carefully paint over the unwanted object, and Photopea will automatically blend it with the surrounding area. If the result isn't perfect, switch to the *clone stamp tool *. Hold the Alt * key to sample a clean part of the image, then paint over the unwanted object. This gives you more control, especially for detailed backgrounds or larger objects. Take your time and zoom in while editing. Use smaller brush sizes around edges and important details to create a natural-looking result. If necessary, combine the healing brush and clone stamp tools for the best outcome. After you're satisfied with the edit, zoom out and check the entire image to make sure everything looks seamless. Then click **, File **, choose **, Export as **, select **JPG** or PNG***, and save the edited image to your computer. That's how to remove unwanted objects in Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching.